Alright, we're with Junior. He just wicked it up to 21, and you said you're going to stop at second, Junior?
Second gear, and we'll see if it hooks.
If he cuts the throttle right away, that means the tires bust loose, and 21 pounds is too much for the street at this temperature.
Maybe give it room to the guy in the back.
Yeah. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, strap in and hold on. So what's the max you at? What's the fastest you had this thing up to?
161.
161? But yeah, those tires are vibrating. After the stern, here we go. It's my homeboy Junior, 1,000 horsepower Mustang, plus probably maybe 1,100. I'm guessing. He's being nice, moderate. Here we go.
70 miles per hour. Ready?
Yep. Takeoff, dude.
It's like 165.
165! Woo! That's the fastest I've been in a while. Yeah.
I buried the needle at 160 and actually stopped.
Christoph! Was that badass or what? Are you a dirty girl?
Yeah, I'm a dirty girl.
I'm a dirty boy, and Junior's a fucking badass.
Yeah, he is.
Fucking A. Thanks, Junior, for coming, and thanks for fucking giving us a ride in this beast, dude.
Yeah,
Awesome.